Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Deep Jyoti and today we are going to discuss a question from exercise 3.3. Question is question number 3, Roman number 4. This is a word problem. So first we have to read the question and we have to understand what is exactly given in the question. Now see here, in the question what is given, the taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge together with charge for the distance covered. Okay, so what does it mean? Say the taxi charges for a particular city consist of two different charges. Okay, taxi charge for a particular city consists of two different charges. It includes two different charges. One is fixed charge, another is charge for distance covered. Okay, now first we have to understand what is fixed charge and what is charge for distance covered. Okay, see, fixed charge means fixed amount that we have to pay. It means fixed amount that we have to pay and it does not depend on the distance we travel in the taxi. Means if we travel for 10 kilometers, we have to pay the same amount that we need to pay for a journey of 1 kilometer. Suppose for example, I have taken rupees 5 is the fixed amount. Now, if I travel in the taxi for 10 kilometers, I have to pay rupees 5 only. And if I travel for 20 kilometers, I have to pay the same amount, that is rupees 5. Even for a journey of 1 kilometer also, I have to pay this fixed amount, that is rupees 5. Now, the total charge include fixed charge plus one more charge, that is charge for distance covered. Now, charge for distance covered vary with the distance. Means if we cover more distance, we have to pay more amount. If we cover less distance, we have to pay less amount. Now, to find out the charge for distance covered, we have to first find out what is the charge per kilometer. Okay, we have to first find out what is the charge per kilometer. Now, for example, let's take charge per kilometer is rupees 2. Okay, so I have taken for example that charge per kilometer is rupees 2 and fixed amount is rupees 5. Now, suppose a person cover a distance of 1 kilometer. Now for 1 kilometer, this is just an example I am taking. Okay, for a journey of 1 kilometer, what is the amount he have to pay? We have to find out. So here fixed amount is rupees 5 plus what he have to pay? Charge for distance covered. So here he have covered a distance of 1 kilometer. Now for 1 kilometer, charge per kilometer means charge that we have to pay for a journey of 1 kilometer, that is rupees 2. So 2 into 1 means 2. So here the total amount will be 7. So 7 rupees we have to pay for a journey of 1 kilometer. Now if the journey is for 10 kilometer, suppose journey is for 10 kilometer. Okay. For 10 kilometer also, the fixed amount will remain same, that we have to pay 5 rupees only. Now, here we have to find out what is the charge for distance covered. Now, for 1 kilometer, we have to pay rupees 2. For 10 kilometer, we have to pay how much? 10 into 2, that will be 20. So, our total taxi charge will become 25. Okay, 25. So, this is the concept. Okay, now with the help of this concept, we have to solve the given question. Okay, I hope you all have understood the concept. Now we'll solve the given question. Okay, now see here what is given in the question. In the question it is given that for a distance of 10 kilometer the charge paid is 105 and for a journey of 15 kilometer the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charge and charge per kilometer? Okay, so here fixed charge and charge per kilometer is not given and we have to find out. So what we'll take that let the fixed charge be x. Okay, we have taken the fixed charge as x and charge per kilometer be y. So I have taken fixed charge as x and charge per kilometer as y. Both are unknown value. So I have taken two variables here. one variable that is x, which denote the fixed charge, another variable y, which denote the charge per kilometer. Okay, now from the question we have to find out two equations. Okay, we have to find out the two equations by reading the question. See what is given here. For a distance of 10 kilometer, okay, so in case number 1, the total distance covered is total distance covered is 10 kilometer. Okay, now see here, for a distance of 10 kilometer, how much that person have to pay? Say he have to pay a fixed charge, that is x, that will always remain same, plus say for 1 kilometer he have to pay y rupees. Okay, for 1 kilometer the charge is y. Now for 10 kilometer he have to pay 10 into y, that will be 10y. Now the total amount he has to pay, the total amount is already given in the question. The total amount is, say the total amount is given 105. Means if we add the fixed charge and charge for the distance covered, then we are going to get the total amount. Now total amount is given here 105. So from here we have got our first equation. Okay. Similarly, we can find out the second equation by reading the second part of the question. Now if we read the second part of the question, say what is given. For a journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 155. Now in the second case, that person covered a distance of, total distance, how much he have covered? Total distance covered or total distance travel in the taxi is 15 kilometer. Now for 15 kilometer also, that fixed charge will always remain same. So he have to pay the fixed charge, that is x, plus one more charge he have to pay, that is the charge for distance covered. Okay. Now say for 1 kilometer he have to pay rupees y. So for 15 kilometer how much he have to pay? Y into 15. Okay, for 1 kilometer if he have to pay y rupees, then for 15 kilometer how much he have to pay? 15 into y. Okay, now if we add the fixed charge and charge for the distance covered, we are going to get the total charge. Here total charge is already given in the question and that is a sum of rupees 155. By solving equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can find out the value of x and y. Okay, so here we are going to use substitution method for solving this pair of linear equation. Because in the question itself it is mentioned that we have to do it by substitution method. In your exam, if it is not mentioned by which method you have to do, then you can do it by either elimination, substitution or cross multiplication. Okay, so here we are going to apply substitution method. So how to apply the substitution method? We all know how to do the substitution method, right? So here we are going to do substitution method. See, first we will take equation number 1, or we can take equation number 2 also. If we take equation number 2, okay, what we are going to get? Say here equation number 2 is given x plus 15y is equal to 155. So here we can get the value of x in term of y. So value of x will be equal to 155 minus 15y. So here we have got our third equation. So in third equation we have got the value of x in term of y. Now what we can do? We can put this value of x in equation number 1. So here we write putting value of x in equation 1. Okay, now if we put the value of x in equation number 1, what we are going to get? Say here in place of x we have to put the value of x, that is 155 minus 15y plus 10y is equal to 105. So see here, in place of x we have to put the value of x here. Okay, in place of this x we have to put the value of x, that is 155 minus 15y. So we are going to get this value 155 minus 15y plus 10y equal to 105. Now minus 15y plus 10y. So here it will be minus 5y, and this 155 will go to the right hand side. So 105 minus 155. So in our next step we'll get minus 5y is equal to how much it will become? Minus 50. So from here we can get the value of y, that is 10. So here we have got the value of y, that is equal to 10. Now we can find out the value of x by putting this value of y in equation number 3. Okay, now we'll put the value of y in equation number 3 so that we can get the value of x here. Okay, so here we'll write putting value of y in equation number 3. Okay, so now we'll put the value of y in equation number 3. So equation number 3 is x is equal to 155 minus 15y. Okay, so if we put the value of y, that is 10, then we are going to get 155 minus 15 into 10. Okay, so ultimately how much we are going to get? The value of x will be equal to 155 minus 15 into 10. So 15 into, see here how much we have got, 155 minus 15 into 10. So 15 into 10 is equal to 150. So 155 minus 150. So ultimately here we are going to get the result of x is equal to 5. So here we have got the value of both x and y. Now here what is x here? X is the fixed charge. So we can say here fixed charge is rupees 5. Okay, so here we have got the fixed charge, that is rupees 5, and similarly we have got the charge per kilometer also, that is charge per kilometer, that is the value of y. So value of y is how much? 10. So rupees 5 is the fixed charge and rupees 10 is the charge per kilometer. Okay, so we have got the required values. Now we have done the first part of the question. Now this question includes one more part. Okay, so what is the second part of the question? Say in the second part what is given? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Now suppose a person travel for a distance of 25 km. For distance of 25 km. Okay, now suppose a person cover a distance of 25 km, or he travel a distance of 25 km in the taxi. How much amount he have to pay? That we need to find here. Okay, so here for 25 km also he have to pay the fixed charge, that is rupees 5, plus he have to pay charge for distance cover. Now for 1 km he have to pay 10 rupees. So for 25 km he have to pay 25 into 10. 25 into 10. Now how much he will have to pay? So here he have to pay 25 into 10, 250. So ultimately 255. So how much will be the cost? That is 255 for a journey of 25 km. Okay, for a journey of 25 km that cost will be how much? 255. Okay, so here we have done and we have got our, I hope you all have understood this question. And if you have liked this video, do share this video with your friend, because this video is very important video and question is also very important. At the same time, this question is very interesting question. Okay, so do share this video with your friend. And also, if you're watching our video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we are going to discuss one more new word problem. Okay, till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.